This tutorial explains how to join a Google Classroom using a class code and navigate its main sections. You will learn to access classwork and the stream to stay updated with your course activities. Click the Google Classroom icon or open the Google Classroom website to begin. Click the Join Class button to start the process of joining a new class. Click the option to enter a class code to join a specific classroom. Enter your class code to identify the class you want to join. Click the Join button to submit your class code and join the classroom. Click the Times button to close any confirmation or welcome pop-up after joining. Click the Classwork tab to view assignments and materials for your class. Click the indicated area to explore more options or details within the Classwork section. Click the Got It button to acknowledge any tips or information presented. Click the Stream tab to see announcements and recent activity in your class. You have successfully joined a Google Classroom using a class code and learned how to navigate the classwork and stream sections. This enables you to access assignments and stay informed about class updates.